Why did I choose the Ally Bank High Yield Savings Account over every other option on the market? Look, when I decided to get serious about my emergency fund and sinking funds, I knew I couldn't just leave my cash sitting in a traditional bank savings account earning basically nothing. I needed a true high-yield savings account, or HYSA. And after checking out the rates and features, I landed on Ally Bank. The Ally Online Savings Account is what I'm currently using, and in my opinion, it's the best Ally Bank account for high-yield savings. Here's why, straight from my experience. First and foremost, the annual percentage yield, or APY. Ally consistently offers a highly competitive rate that's significantly higher than the national average. This is the whole point of a HYSA, to make my money work for me. The interest is compounded daily, which means I'm earning interest on my interest, and that daily compounding really helps the balance grow faster over time. Second, the lack of fees is a massive win. There's no minimum deposit to open the account, and more importantly, there are no monthly maintenance fees. When I was researching banks, many HYSAs had some kind of fee or minimum balance requirement to avoid one, but Ally keeps it simple, 0 fees for standard use. But the feature that makes this specific account truly stand out is the savings buckets. This isn't just one big pile of money. Inside my main savings account, I can create up to 30 different buckets for specific goals. I have buckets for my emergency fund, my next car down payment, a travel fund, and a home repair fund. I still earn the high APY on the total balance, but visually, it keeps my goals separate and organized. It's fantastic for managing different savings goals without opening multiple accounts. They also have boosters, which are useful automation tools. I personally use the recurring transfers to automatically move money from my checking account every paycheck. It makes saving completely effortless, set it and forget it. The overall experience is seamless. As an online-only bank, their website and mobile app are incredibly user-friendly. I can transfer money instantly between my Ally checking and savings accounts, or easily link an external bank for transfers. Plus, I have peace of mind knowing the account is FDIC insured up to the maximum allowed by law. While Ally also offers money market accounts and high-yield CDs for accessible cash that still earns a great rate, the standard online savings account is the best fit for most people's high-yield savings needs. It provides the great APY, no fees, and the organization tools I need to stay motivated. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.